In this video, I'll be showing you that how you can easily fix if YouTube Vanced is not working properly on your phone. So make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, if you are facing any kind of issue with YouTube Vanced app on your phone, the first thing you have to do is to head over to the settings of your phone. Now you would have to go to the app section, and then you will have to tap on YouTube. Now first of all, you will have to head over to the permissions and make sure that all the important permissions have been allowed. Then go back, then tap on storage and cache. Now you will have to tap on clear cache. Now what it does is that now you will have to go back and go to the Google Play Store. After opening Play Store, you will have to search for YouTube app. Then open it, and if it says update, you can simply tap on update to update it to the latest version, so you will be able to use it without any problem. If this video helped you out, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Like the video and comment down below if you got stuck anywhere. I'll definitely help you out.